We are alive, let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free every moment.